Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be detailing a 2010 Audi A5 convertible. So I'm going to bring around here and show you it. It's going to get our Platinum package. So the wheels inside and outside are going to be cleaned. Like the inside of the barrel, face, all that. Then the outside's going to be washed, clayed, decontaminated, bugs, tar. I'll show you there's some tar up on this car that we're going to remove. Seal the paint inside, steam it, shampoo the carpets, clean the leather, seal the leather, and then on the fabric top we're also going to clean that and then seal that so that way it's protected for longer. Polish the exhaust tips as best we can. I looked at them already, they're kind of gone, but let's show you. So let's get started. So this is the Audi A5. So the wheels are gonna need some love. There's a little bit of like tar and stuff down here that we're gonna address and get off. That and again these wheels. We're on the passenger side, same thing. Got some tar up on there. We're gonna get off, and then again these wheels are gonna get a bath, so we can get them all cleaned up. Exhaust tips, we're gonna get those cleaned up, make it look good, and then put the roof up, clean that, and then seal it. Alright, so I just finished the outside. I'm going to go over and show you real quick. So this is how it turned out. Sorry, it's a little windy. Those are the wheels. Looking really good. So, a lot better. roof looking really good. Exhaust tips, I cleaned them up on the outside. The inside's kind of washed up, but that's the outside. So this is the inside. We'll be detailing this. Not too bad, but it's gonna need some love and some care. I'm gonna actually go through and pick all this stuff up. We're going to shampoo the carpets, steam the interior, blow everything out, vacuum everything, wipe everything down, give it a nice agitation, and then we're going to seal it. So that's gonna be the inside. I'll bring it around to the side. So this is the inside, as you can tell. It is in some need of some cleaning. So we're gonna get in here. Let me see if I can get this. So we're gonna get in there, clean everything. I'm gonna pick everything out of the doors, and then we're gonna go back through and do everything I just said. It's not too bad. So a little bit of dust up here. If you can see that on my finger. So it shouldn't be too bad. So let's get started. So I finished up the interior. Still got a little bit of touch up, but it's looking a whole lot better. I'm gonna still seal the leather, but overall came out really good. So I put the coins in here in the center console, but overall it looks a whole lot better in here. So this really does look tremendously better. I still not entirely done just yet. I still need to go through and seal all the leather and then finish the windows, and a couple spots I gotta touch up, but I just wanted to show you again. I like to get these, show you right before I'm finished, just so that I actually get the footage. But again, that's the interior. Overall, it was really clean. So, thankfully, it wasn't too bad. But again, this is our Platinum package. So the inside, the carpets got vacuumed, then they got cleaned, then they got steamed, then they got shampooed. Interior got steamed, blown out with air, vacuumed. So looks a whole lot better. I always start with the carpets first, and then I work my way around. Sometimes I double vac, just because that's what happens sometimes with some of the dirt. But overall, it came out really good. Not too bad. 3.5 hours on this job, so not too bad. Alright, so thank you again for watching so much and dealing with the wind today. But that was our Platinum package. Again, if you have any questions or comments, please comment them down below. Also, you can follow us at JMC Detailing on Instagram. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye.